Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame me Adoryer search name.
Oops na Adoryer. Say I was here pay adwuma bi ema wo ye. Hopsin I understand say we are jobless. Any for winning about no we yire di kan be bo say gidigidi on social media say o san kwakoye wo airport adwuma no. Nana me train amanke ama osa adwuma no biemu. Na mama chi NDC full soldiers na so bi anko no pen appointment. Go full soldiers na ye o campaign and NDC ababem. To yire be video see ama wa adwuma na emo wa. NDC for mo aban a ema wa adwuma ya. Me ama chi foot soldiers na so bi anko youth agency ona obi anko pen adwuma. Hopsin oye papa penyimu but baby a wato to anu onyam awie tru no ayare hosem na me visa also your director of operations ma ayi party bia party in lifespan na atisa for franto pepepe aba franto nchen wo terms of party na go on so party ni ngu there as a director of operations you don't want so ye bibia boa sa party na he said why I want say boy na sami jemfi akola ketwa wait me small say wanya asemunti kwatna baby na kwaye damage control na wako akoye damage control wonse Mugabe che wonyansa ho okwaye na akoka say nyansa mbem wonse Mugabe eche wonyansa wose retract asem na akaye no won anya bibia soma bia na esma wo so koye papa panyimu oyire so waye complain a champanyifo bia mo no akasa bada ya na ye mamene se ugu nanimu ase Gifty Adoryer also ugu nanimu ase option ema de omo kaka na wuntia obayi wa ma wo eti ya careful na de aka wa no eze wo nya wuni adwumaye woni bra bia bo na onenam obaya na eja okoba kakra eti oba ne se ugu na nima asijai wa ye complaints wa wo ya we wa man panyifo bi afro no akasa wo ya we eya na my way di wuti TikTok so no mudi watem sabe won so wonya akwala eti ya ne ma hote sa ai fanfu adwuma ya akoya ma asame janfu o Mugabe show so yi sa NDC full soldiers nko cha agrada amboni o sa wo agrada am ye chew Hopsin o sa agrada am ye chew na ukodam because a serious threat who incite youth no who incite full soldiers na o ma nya dollars ni bi o mani abre akomode om no what say incite om so omonko na omonko bo agrada Hopsin o sa wo dem Ghana your mind be a serious country I was all them it me sure say agrada so nyemre obachi watum youth na Hopsin samonko bo sami janfu ban na mombo agrada na me pa chaw onyani badwon why agrada nya dollars no anya bi tenya wo na obekọ na police for no so mo mabo pa enom do batum so eti monya careful why papa ne de mamu ndi nachi wono watoto na no nyamawe eze no nyam bia ni no mu eno anzo one na mo bisa keke eti ono na watoto na no nyamawe no mamu nkodi nachi na mu nkonyansam na agrada na onyemre agrada abechi watumu easy wo ho be kire wo eti no mo ndwe mo why okay manuasi
steady, and so they will go to court and everything will come back to zero. Say omun first kebi omun we bibia na ye the esteem na NPP for Jimmy Phobi NPP for Jimmy Phobi e wo mo de awon ya ne bitterness e wo mo nti no omo ti bibia no mo di mirika no mo de ko mo aka so mo party no mo ton mo party say mo party mo ma mo ani na ho is to divert attention from the Sami Jemfi saga. They want Ghanaians to discuss say NMP before by Obian dollar. I was expecting them to say conspiracy to steal, conspiracy to cause this, but they never said that. All they said was conspiracy. You can go and read the charges. You can go and read Dominica Uni's stupid charges. I know say court to be prosecutors are dealing. You have a baby be the assassin wagene, you have a baby be the area wagene, you have a baby be the dada, wagene free the SS of Okano. Would you not have fall for it? Now, more NPP for them, more than Munimi. Why? NPP for no, young Cosunimi, young Ken Baumia, Sani of Jimmy, then go 4 way, and we are Ghana and say Ghana in 4 years. Last week, when something came, I can't ask them. Almost Yakochi and Dubuahi. Bibi Banayas, Yabekan was some say, almost say Yakochi and people Nibako. Yes, you and I we are Kowefi and we are Kobuye Diani. Diversionary tactics. What do you think they eat the 78 million for? Movies the 78 million, ya de Mafiliso for Suquachqua, Naya Famanoqua, not Jumano or Diano. Yan to media ni Nandra, na kwa siampani bi to say Obahene, Sabe Omahino Quabras Antinnes are fake elder and Obino. Obi fake elder Obi or say bones fake guy. Oma betina asempa defend Sami Jemfi because Sami Jemfi show money in our funumu. There is no day as Sami Jemfi beba are more envelope, so they can't touch him. Sometimes some of us, when we walk with them, we learn and we watch. The reason why Asempa FM has to give Sami Jemfi all the grandeur and all those things, and they say every time a Sami Jemfi will be a job envelope mehuda. I've been in that studio before. That is what they do. Media men, no kwana de shisho mo kon aso obu adwuma bia ma obua okọ uduru wa de ojuche yesiko be nya film. I'm telling you, that is who they are. And that is why they are not objective, that is why they are not real. This MPP NDC case, the reason why it's here, Jimmy Moore, is because of the foolish media we have, like Omahine Kwabena Sante. Omahine Kwabena Sante, Cecilia Dapa case, except Cecilia Dapa crowd, or no why Juma or one BBD crano. Munche de Amode Yen was empowered. The only journalist that was able to look at the Cecilia Dapa case with clear law was Paul Adomotri. Asa. And California, this is the foolishness they did. But today, the same woman here, Kwabena Santina, foolish both root. Now, a defender Sami Jemfi because CA or Sami Jemfi go to Namu, the name of Yamidebeyamo. Where your woman, I came to warn my MPP people, say, Omunja Jimiena, Obika someone, no Mujimika, we have a case to prosecute. Your leadership at your press conference. And raising very potent and serious questions, sir. We need to push that agenda. And then we are going to leave it and go and talk about the Kumfi and the rest. While they are underground doing evil, while they are underground stealing, when is the Ghana youth going to wake up? When is the Ghana brain going to wake up? When are the right people in Ghana going to speak? Is Ghana all about?
Adeɛ kyeyɛ na special prosecutor wabɔ awura hɔ asesa ne dɛm nneɛma nyinaa ba na wenu mi bisa sɛ special prosecutor no ɔnte yana ɔte aseɛ enti me nuanom asɛm a ato